students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Let us learn English of standard first, and name of the story is 6.6 The Ant and the Pigeon. Okay, today we are going to hear and read this story. Now dear children, here the ant and the pigeon. You know the meaning of ant, right? And the pigeon. See, this is a pigeon. Here you can see pigeon flying, and see, this is an ant, isn't it? Okay, today we will go through the story of the ant and the pigeon. Okay, are you ready to listen this? The ant and the pigeon. This is the heading of the story, title of the story. First, I will tell you this story in Hindi. Okay, then we will go through the same story in English. The ant. The ant means cheetah. Pigeon means kabutar. Isn't it? Cheetah and kabutar की story. Now, here एक दिन क्या हो गया? एंट गलती से पानी में गिर गया. Can you see here? ओके, बाद में उसने बहुत सारे कोशिश की पानी से बाहर आने के लिए. बाद में कुछ भी हो नहीं पा रहा था, सो हेल्प 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 करके चिल्लाने लगी. बाद में क्या हो गया? उधर एक पिजन ऊपर बैठा था पेड़ के ऊपर. वो पिजन ने देखा, उसको बहुत बुरा लगा. वो बहुत सैड हो गया. अरे रे, ये चींटी तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा? मर जाएगी. बाद में उसने सोचा कि कुछ भी करके मैं उसको बचाने की कोशिश करूंगा. सो उसने क्या किया? उसने एक लीफ निकाला. जो ट्री पे बैठा था, वो ट्री का एक लीफ निकाला और वो लीफ को एंट के पास थ्रो किया, डाल दिया. ओके, तो बाद में क्या किया? एंट क्या की? धीरे धीरे से आके वो लीफ के ऊपर क्लाइंब करके बैठ गई. ओके, एंड उसने कबूतर को देखा, मीन्स पिजन को देखा एंड थैंक यू बोला. बिकॉज उसने क्या किया? चींटी की जान बचाई थी. उसने लीफ नहीं डाला होता तो चींटी क्या हो जाती? एंट मर जाती. इजंट इट? सो उसने उसको थैंक यू बोला. थोड़े वक्त के बाद क्या हो गया? पिजन ऊपर बैठा था पेड़ के ऊपर और इधर एक हंटर आया. हंटर बोला तो जो चिड़िया पकड़ने वाला. ओके, हंटर आया और उसने एम लगाया पिजन के ऊपर. एम लगाना बोला तो तीर लगाना. ओके, निशाना लगाना. उसने क्या किया? इधर पिजन को देखे पिजन के ऊपर निशाना लगाया. तभी क्या हो गया? वो उधर से एंट जा रही थी. उसने देखा, अरे बाप रे, ये हंटर तो पिजन के ऊपर एम लगा के बैठा है एंड पिजन को तो कुछ भी पता नहीं. मुझे कुछ तो करना चाहिए. मुझे पिजन की जान बचाना चाहिए. ऐसा करके वो क्या की? चींटी धीरे धीरे से निकली और ऊपर आके हंटर के हाथ के ऊपर चढ़ी. ओके, हाथ के ऊपर चढ़ी और इधर क्या कर रहा है? हंटर निशाना लगा रहा है पिजन के ऊपर. बाद में क्या की उसने? हंटर के हाथ को जोर से काट ली। तभी क्या हो गया, हंटर को दर्द होने लगा, जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा, अरे बाप रे, कितना काटा मुझे, क्या काटा, किसने काटा करके जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा। वो आवाज सुन के उधर पीजन का नजर गई हंटर के ऊपर और पीजन डर गया, अरे बाप रे, तो मुझे मारने वाला था, मैं कौन से ख्यालों में बैठा था। तो ये कर सुन के उधर से वो उड़ गया। ना ऐसा करके क्या हो गया, पीजन की जान किसने बचाई अभी, एंट ने, इजंट इट। नहीं तो क्या करता, हंटर उसको निशान लगा के मार डालता, राइट। देखो उसके बाद में क्या हो गया, दोनों पीजन एंड एंट दोनों बहुत 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 अच्छे फ्रेंड्स बन गए। गॉट दिस? ओके, सो क्या करना चाहिए, दूसरों को मदद करना चाहिए। अच्छा काम का फल क्या होता है, हमेशा अच्छा होता है। देखो इधर पीजन ने अच्छा काम किया, राइट, इसकी जान बचाई थी, उसको पानी से निकाला था, राइट। लाइक दैट चींटी ने भी क्या किया, उसकी जान बचाई। सो इधर हम लोग क्या सीख सकते हैं, जब भी हम लोग अच्छे काम करते हैं उसका नतीजा अच्छा ही होता है। ओके, गॉट दिस? नाउ आपको ये स्टोरी अच्छे से मालूम पड़ा बिकॉज I said this in Hindi, isn't it? So now we will go to the same story and we will learn the story in English. Here, listen, read and do. See dear children, here one page is there in your textbook. Okay, this is our story, the ant and the pigeon, isn't it? Here some pictures are given. To do here, look at the pictures, put the correct numbers in the circles to make a meaningful story. Here we can see the circles. See, each picture has circle, isn't it? We have to give proper numbers to that circles and we have to make a meaningful story. See this? Here you can see some block boxes are there, in that some portion of the story is written. Okay, we will go through this. One day an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. Second, a pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. After a while, a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. The hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard his scream and flew away. Yes, dear children, this is a story of the ant and the pigeon. Here 6 boxes are given and the story is divided into small paragraphs. Okay. Yes, see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and we know the picture, correct? Okay, we will match these blocks along with the picture. See this? Come on, tell me what to write here. You know the story, correct? You understood the story. Now see the picture here. The ant is trying to come out from the water and this pigeon is looking at the ant from the tree. Yes. What to write here? We can write like this. One day, an ant fell into a pond and could not come out. Got this? One day an ant fell into the pond and could not come out. See the picture now? Come on, tell me what to write here. Yes, a pigeon sitting on a tree saw it and decided to help the ant. He threw a leaf into the pond. Yes, what did the pigeon do? He threw a leaf into the pond, isn't it? Now see this. Here you can see the ant on the leaf, right? Okay. The ant climbed onto the leaf and safely came out of the pond. It came out of the pond after climbing on the leaf. See the picture now. After a while, a hunter saw the pigeon and aimed at it. See, this is the hunter and this is the pigeon. He is aiming at the pigeon, right? Now here, what do you see here? The ant. You can see here the ant. The ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. Yes, it came here. It climbed up his arm and stung it. See the next picture. The hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard his scream and flew away. For this, I hope you understood this story properly. See, dear children, this is our page from the textbook, right? Now, we will try to give the proper numbers to these pictures to make a meaningful story. Now, please observe the picture. See here, the ant is climbing on the leaf. Here, the pigeon is flying. Here you can see the hunter's arm. This is gun and this is ant. It is biting his hand. Correct? And here you can see ant inside the water. It is trying to come out from the water and this pigeon is looking at the ant. Here you can see the ant in the water and pigeon is near to the leaf. Here you can see a hunter is aiming at the pigeon. Pigeon is sitting on the tree. Okay, now we have to give here the proper numbers to make the meaningful story. Come on, tell me which picture shall we give the first number? Number 1. Yes, very good. This one, isn't it? The ant fell in the river and could not come out. And this pigeon saw the ant inside the pond. Right? Which is the second one? Yes, very good. This one. The pigeon decided to save the life of the ant, so it plucked a leaf from the tree. Correct? And it threw the leaf near the ant. Now, which will be the third one? Yes, very good. Here, the ant climbed on the leaf and came out of the pond. Isn't it? Next, what is that? Yes, correct. This is the next one. Here the hunter came and he is aiming at the pigeon. Next, come on, tell me. One, two, only two left. Yes, very good. This one. Here, the ant saw this and quickly climbed up his arm and stung it. Right? And the last one, this, correct? Here, the hunter screamed in pain. He missed his aim. The pigeon heard this and flew away. Yes, very good, dear children. We have arranged these pictures in order to make a meaningful story. Isn't it? Nice. Here, look and say. Dear children, here we have to observe the spelling and we have to read the word. See, this is Pigeon. You know this? Pigeon, kabutar. Correct? Pigeon. Next is ant, ant. Ant means cheating. Climbed, climbed. Chadna. Next one. Safely, safely. एकदम safe से. screamed, screamed. Chillana. What is this? Screamed. Chillana. You have to learn the spelling. Okay. leaf, leaf. Patta. leaf, leaf. Patta. stung, stung. Katna. Stung. Okay. decided, decided. decided, decided. missed, missed. चूक जाना. missed, missed. Okay. Fill in the missing words. Here you should know the spelling of these words. Okay. If you know the spelling, you can easily fill all these blanks. Here see S dash R dash A M dash D. What to write in these boxes? Yes, you have to guess. And these are the words from your story, the ant and the pigeon. Yes, a long word. Chillana. Very good. Screamed. 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 Okay. Screamed means chillana. See again. SCREAMED. Scream. Okay. Next. P dash G dash dash N. What is this? Very good. P I G E O N. Pigeon. This is easy. Next. AI dash ED. Guess. Search from the story. AI aimed. The hunter aimed at pigeon. निशाना लगा लिया. Correct? Okay. Next, Q dash I dash K dash Y. Come on. Q U I C K L Y. Read this. QUICKLY. Quickly. Okay? QUICKLY. Quickly. Got this? Yes. Bye-bye, children. Dear children, please go through this poem 2 to 3 times. Okay? If you want to learn this by heart, then do that one also. Okay? Take care.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.